Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to create a professional Wix website on your mobile device. So if you're on an Android device, it's going to work as well as on Apple devices. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all, you have to download the Wix on an application. You can also do this on an internet browser, but I prefer using the mobile application for mobile devices. So if you're on an Android device, just go to Google Play Store. If you're on an Apple device, just go to the Apple Play Store. So once you are in the Google Play Store, just search for Wix here and it should show you this application. So just click on Wix Owner Website Builder application and install it. I've already done that, so I'm just gonna click on open here, and then you have to log in into your Wix account. If you don't have a Wix account already, you can just create an account on this application. It's pretty straightforward. So once you have created an account on Wix application, you just have to click on the drop down menu in the top right corner. If you have a new account, you will be automatically redirected to create a new website. So if you already have a few websites, you just have to click on this drop down menu at the top of your screen, and then just click on create new at the bottom of your screen, and here you will be given these options. So just select these options, the one that is most relevant to you. Just search for the option that's most relevant to you, and you can just click on next, and this is how you create a professional Wix website on your mobile device. So thanks for watching guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.